Today I'm gonna show you how to grow basil from seeds. There are many types of basil.
Genovese, a type of sweet basil but with stronger aroma and slightly spicy note, used in Italian cuisine like pesto and pizza. Thai basil, anise-like with spicy kick used for Southeast Asian dishes like pad gra pao. Holy basil or tulsi, peppery, clove-like with hint of menthol, commonly used for teas and medicinal remedies. Lemon basil, which is tangy, lemon-scented for desserts such as cookies, ice cream, and pudding.
But for this, I'm gonna use sweet basil, which is milder than Genovese. Let's get started. First, soak the basil seeds in water for 6 to 12 hours. Prepare a pot of coco peat or any garden soil for the seeds. After soaking, remove most of the water and pour into the soil. Make sure it's spread apart. Cover with a bit of soil and slightly compact. Spray with water and cover with plastic. And put in a sunny place.
2 weeks later.
Here are the basil seedlings. Time to transplant them now. Prepare pots
And poke holes on each about ½ inch deep.
Carefully transfer the seedlings and cover with soil. Spray with water and place in a sunny spot.
Four to 6 days later.
Look at how my basil plants have grown. Here is a fully grown basil plant. To encourage bushier growth, look for a main stem with new sets of growth on each side. Just pinch off above those growths. Just like other plants, basil can be infested with pests. But as much as possible, avoid using pesticide because we eat the basil leaves. Here's a quick rundown.
If you see curled leaves with green, white, or black insects on the underside, those are aphids. If there's webbing, those are spider mites. You should spray with strong jet of water to dislodge the insects. If you observe silvery streaks and speckling on leaves, those are thrips. If there are bites or holes, they could be Japanese beetles, slugs, or snails. You should handpick them and dispose. If you notice winding, whitish trails on leaves, those are leaf miners. If you see black dots, those could be fungal or bacterial pathogens. Remove infected leaves immediately.